Hello everybody, just wanted to do a quick update video on my Sony KV-20FS100 television set. I bought this 20 years ago in the year 2002 and so far it's not had any problems. I do have the original owner's manual. Not too long ago I had run across the receipt for it, but I can't seem to find it anymore. Sure, as soon as I get done with this video it'll turn up. But here's some of the specifications on it. It's pretty well optioned for what it is. Please pause to read if you so desire. There we go. And it's quite substantial. It weighs quite a bit. Very solid television. This is the last CRT television I bought brand new. Of course, I've added some to my collection from estate sales and such. Let's go ahead and power it up. See how it's looking. Still have the original remote. Have changed the batteries in it one time in 20 years. And it still makes a decent picture. The camera makes it appear a little bluer than it is, but it's actually a real nice crisp picture. Not great sound, but it does okay. It is stereo speakers. Makes a nice black and white picture. Works well in Spanish as well. Does pretty well on cartoons. And then, of course, vintage programming looks pretty decent. So once again, this has been a quick look at my Sony KV-20FS100 as it is now 20 years old. Thank you for watching.